So if you're buying a TV today, the real question isn't which is cheaper. It's which one actually gives you more for your money without cutting corners where it matters. So let's look into it. So Skyworth and TCL are two budget to mid-budget range TV brands competing heavily on value. Okay, so they both offer 4K smart TVs, QLED options, and large screen sizes at prices significantly lower than the premium brands like Samsung or LG. So let's look into Skyworth. So some of the pros of Skyworth is that it's usually more affordable for similar screen sizes and has a decent picture quality for casual viewing and streaming, and it has a simple and user-friendly interface. And Skyworth here as is also gives you a better overall picture quality, especially in mid-range and QLED models, and stronger HDR performance and brightness levels. And it has a more reliable software and smart TV experiences. Whereas on the downside here, the TCL is slightly more expensive than Skyworth for similar size, and the entry-level models can still feel average in sound quality. Whereas Skyworth here has some few bits of negatives here, it's like the weaker processing and upscaling compared to competitors and limited high-end models, and the smart TV system can feel a bit basic or inconsistent. So if you're on a strict budget or a strict budget buyer who just wants a big screen for Netflix and YouTube, then Skyworth will get the job done for you for less, better. But if you are like a value focused buyer who wants better picture quality, smooth performance, and long-term usability, then TCL is a smarter investment overall. So in summary, I would say Skyworth wins on price, whereas TCL wins on value.